is John Cockerell. They have witnessed a notable shift in its shareholding this week. Ace investor Ramesh Damani has picked up a fresh stake. Anushi joins in with more details. Anushi, this is a very important step for this company, and this is largely a small cap company, but a lot of futuristic related sectors are there. So what are you gathering all details about the company?
Right, so we are seeing a lot of investor interest now coming for this particular stock, and this is after Ace investor Ramesh Damani has bought about 0.55% stake in the company. Now, this represents about 27,500 shares, which were bought at a price valuation of around 4,704 per piece. Just to note that it's not the first kind of stake sale that has happened by the promoters in the last 4 sessions. We've seen that the promoters have been selling their stake. In fact, the promoters sold about 1.95 lakh shares. That's roughly around 4% of equity that we are looking at. This is in multiple tranches that we are seeing that has happened, with which the promoter stake holding now has come down to 71%, roughly around 71% versus 74.89% that they had held earlier. Majority of the stake sale, if we see, had happened on December of 26, followed by the other activities that we've seen from December 22 to 24 as well. But talking about how the stock has performed, it's seen about a 47% of an upside in this last 6 months period itself. In fact, if we just look at the overall performance also of the company, it's a 19% of a decline that they had reported in terms of where the revenue was concerned. But ordering activity has been something which has remained on the healthier side. On the recent announcements part of it, if we look at what has happened, the company's board has also approved acquisition of John Cockerell Metals International, that's Belgium, by acquiring 100% of a stake in that, which it will become a wholly owned subsidiary as well. So this was an important development that had taken place earlier, and currently the main focus is that Ramesh Damani has bought stake in the company, hence why it is stock of the day. Stock over 3%, it has cooled off some bit, but 7% is the kind of intraday high that we saw.
Right.